In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the profile picture on WordPress. Updating your profile picture on WordPress is a simple yet effective way to personalize your account and make your online presence more recognizable. Whether you're running a blog, managing a website, or contributing to discussions, having the right avatar adds a personal touch that helps you stand out. Today, I'll walk you through the steps to update your profile image using WordPress's built-in settings. And if you're new to WordPress, don't worry, this process is beginner-friendly and easy to follow. If you don't already have a WordPress account, you can use the link in the description below to sign up and get started. All right, let's dive in. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the WordPress website. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner of the page and locate the login option. Click on it. This is the first step to accessing your WordPress account, as it begins the process of verifying your identity. Next, when the login page appears, you'll see a few options to log in. Here, click on Continue with Google. This method allows you to securely and quickly sign in using your Google account, saving you the trouble of remembering additional passwords. Now, a list of your Google accounts will appear, so go ahead and select the account you wish to associate with your WordPress profile. Once you've chosen your account, you'll be logged in and ready to move on to the next step. Once you're logged into your WordPress dashboard, navigate over to the Settings option. You'll typically find this in the left-hand menu of your dashboard. Click on it to open the Settings page. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Discussion Settings and click on it. This is where you'll find all the options related to comments and avatars on your WordPress account. Scroll down through the discussion settings until you see the section titled Default Avatar. This is where WordPress provides you with a variety of avatar options to choose from. Take a moment to review the available choices. These options include different styles and icons that can represent you across your WordPress site. Once you've decided, click on the avatar that you want to set as your new default profile picture. Picking the right avatar is important because it's the image that will be displayed alongside your name whenever you leave a comment or interact on the platform. After selecting your preferred avatar, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the settings page. Here you'll see a Save Changes button. Click on it to confirm and apply your updates. This step is crucial because it ensures that your new profile picture is saved and displayed correctly across the platform. Without saving, your changes won't take effect. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your profile picture on WordPress. By following these steps, you've personalized your account and made your profile more uniquely yours. If you have any questions or run into any issues while updating your avatar, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.